Welcome to Workers Direct, your go-to source for hospitality tips and career guidance. In today's video, we're going to walk you through essential hotel housekeeping and room attendant training tips and show you how you can find your next hotel job with Workers Direct. Importance of hotel housekeeping and room attendant roles. Hotel housekeeping and room attendant roles are at the heart of the hospitality industry. These professionals ensure that every guest enjoys a clean, comfortable, and welcoming environment, making their stay memorable. Key responsibilities of hotel housekeepers and room attendants. What exactly does a hotel housekeeper or room attendant do? Here are some of the key responsibilities. Room cleaning, ensuring every guest room is spotless, including making beds, dusting surfaces, and vacuuming floors. Bathroom sanitation, cleaning and sanitizing bathrooms, replenishing towels and toiletries, and ensuring everything is in perfect order. Restocking supplies, replenishing minibars, coffee stations, and other guest amenities to maintain a welcoming environment. Attention to detail, checking for any damages or maintenance issues, and reporting them promptly to keep the hotel in top condition. Essential training tips for hotel housekeeping and room attendant roles. To excel in these roles, training is key. Let's go over some essential tips. Efficiency and time management. Learn how to clean rooms thoroughly and quickly to meet the demands of the hotel schedule. Proper use of cleaning supplies. Understanding how to use cleaning products and tools effectively is crucial for maintaining high standards. Guest interaction. Always greet guests with a smile and offer assistance when needed. A friendly attitude can make a big difference. Safety and hygiene. Always follow safety protocols, wear protective gear when necessary, and ensure hygiene standards are met. Why choose Workers Direct for your next hotel job? Looking for a job in hotel housekeeping or as a room attendant? Workers Direct is here to help. Here's why you should consider finding your next job through Workers Direct. Extensive network. We have connections with top hotels and hospitality employers looking for skilled professionals like you. Quick placement. Whether you're seeking a temporary position or a full-time role, Workers Direct can help you find a job quickly. Career support. We offer guidance and resources to help you succeed in your role, from training materials to ongoing support. How to apply for hotel housekeeping. Jobs with Workers Direct. Ready to start your career in hotel housekeeping? Applying is easy with Workers Direct. Here's how. Visit our website at workersdirect.com and create an account. Browse our current job listings for hotel housekeeping and room attendant roles. Submit your application online or contact our recruitment team directly for personalized assistance. Our team will match you with the right job based on your skills, experience, and preferences. Conclusion and call to action. Visit our website to apply for your next job, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips and industry insights. Website www.workersdirect.co.uk. Email info@workersdirect.co.uk.